Today I'm showing you a 2021 Sea Ray 310 SLX. The boat is shrink wrapped. This 310 is the outboard version with the twin white Mercuries 300s. The gray interior, also known as stone. Gray sea decking. I know it's a little harder to see with the shrink wrap on, but I'll start with the bow. Nice big bow seating. Storage underneath all those seats. You do have a windlass. Helm area. This is a joystick boat. Digital throttle. Fusion stereo. Twin Simrad screens. Captain's chair. Co-captain. Here's access into our head door. Nice big spot down below. Is winterized again. Nice shelf area. Making our way to the transom. L-shaped seating across in the cockpit. The co-captain chair does spin. Rear facing seat. Ice tray. Sink with storage. You have a refrigerator down below. Here's a shot back again, looking at the twin Merc setup. Great sun pad seating back there. So again, 2021 Sea Ray 310 SLX, located in Brick, New Jersey. Come by today. Thank you.